Good day! Our topic today is pattern in nature. We don't know that there is forming pattern in our nature that makes sense in mathematics. So, let's start. First, what is pattern? Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. We have different types and kind of natural patterns. In these are fractals, tessellation, symmetries, foam, stripes, crack, and spiral. Some of the most common examples of fractals in nature would include branches of trees, animals, circulatory system, snowflakes, lightning and electricity, plants and leaves, geographic, terrain and river system, clouds, and crystals. Next is tessellation or tiling, a flat surface that covering a plane using one or more geometric shapes, called tiles, with no overlaps and no gaps. In mathematics, tessellation can be generalized to higher dimension in a variety of geometries. A periodic tiling has a repeating pattern. It is said that the things are meant to be repeated, and these are the examples. And we have symmetry. Symmetry describes rules for moving things around without changing their pattern. Symmetry ideas are also used to conceptualize patterns formation. And in my words, or in my opinion, no matter what you do with that things, rotate it or reverse it, it doesn't change the look. And these are the examples of symmetry. Let's proceed to the fourth pattern, which is foam. Foam consists of a bubbles packed together in a fractal pattern. By definition, a foam is any material made up of bubbles packed closely together. If the bubbles tend to be very large, you might be call it a froth. And these are the examples of bubbles. Next is stripes pattern. Stripes are commonly seen in nature, food, emblems, clothing, and elsewhere. Two-tone stripes inherently draws one attention, and as such are used to signal hazard. And stripe can be seen anywhere, for example, in the road signs and in our daily activities. And these are the examples or the other examples of stripes. Next is spiral. A spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on a center point in a series of circular shape that revolves around it. The reason for why plants use a spiral form like the leaf picture above is because they are constantly trying to grow but stay secure. A spiral shape causes plants to condense themselves and not to take up as much space, causing it to be stronger and more durable against the elements. And these are the examples. The last pattern is cracks. Cracks are linear openings that form in material to relieve stress. When a material fails in all directions, it results in cracks. The pattern created reveal if the material is elastic or not. The stripe pattern is evolutionary in that it increases the chances of survival through camouflage. And in my own opinion, crack can also be seen a type of phenomenon here in Philippines. That is what we call El Nino. And here's are the other examples of cracks.
For centuries we have sought to understand the universe in all of its wondrous manifestations. A moment captured on film preserves a glimpse into that which is often ephemeral or perhaps unnoticed. Flowers reveal forms, structures, and patterns that suggest an inherent harmony with the universe. Patterns in nature can be viewed in terms of form and symmetry. Three forms seen often in both the physical and natural world are branches, spirals, layers. The symmetry of these forms often adds to their beauty, as typified by radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Form and symmetry in the plant world are inherently beautiful. Every plant seems to portray a new interpretation of the predictable patterns of nature.
I'm done discussing the patterns in nature. Hope you like it and understand the lesson, and hoping that you gained knowledge.